Here is the Honda Fit. Let's go ahead and get started. Open up the driver's side door. Now right over there is the primary hood release lever. Pull it. Now in front of the vehicle, right on top of the Honda emblem, is a secondary release lever. You can put one finger in there and then push it left. See, this is how it works. So while it's pushed left, lift up the hood, and this hood requires a prop rod to stay in place. So grab the rod, put it right over there in that slot with the arrow marking it, and then let it go, and now the hood is secure. Let's start with the passenger side. That is the bulb right over there. The way to access it is right there behind it. That's the bulb holder. Grab it, twist it left, and out it comes. To get the bulb out, just grab the bulb and pull it out straight, and it comes out. The bulb size is 7444 NA. Again, 7444 NA. Check the link in description to buy the new bulb from Amazon, and then simply push it down back into the bulb holder to secure it in place. You may have to do some twisting and turning before it just sits in flush like this. At this point, just twist your right to lock it, and you are done. That was the passenger side. Now let's move on to the driver's side. Same process, same bulb, same everything. Let's just go ahead, grab the bulb holder and twist it left, and out it comes. Same bulb, 7444 NA. And when you put it back in the light, you have to make sure it just drops in and sits in flush like this. And at that point, you can twist your right to lock it, and you are done. Let's go inside the car and turn on the four-way flashers, the emergency lights, and check out the bulbs. See, make sure it's working fine. And the driver's side is working good, and so is the passenger side, and that's good. To close the hood, first push on it, get the rod out of that slot, put it back in its place, and then push it down to secure it. Lower the hood and slam it shut. Hope you found it useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory.